Hello, good evening all. எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? So this is your Bobby. So today actually I have not traded any kind of trades like in FNO and then stocks both. So and I told you I trade only in Nifty in futures and options markets. And actually why I have not traded today because I completely busy today. I got unable to trade. Like even I'm not in front of the systems. Otherwise I would have come in live. So let's review the market, what is happened today. So that is what we are going to review in couple of minutes. Let's see. So actually the shape, when I saw generally I don't follow the shape actually, like it's a P shape, a B shape or D or whatever it is, but how the market is performed in balance or imbalance. So that is what I wanted to see. So yesterday I told you actually this is my first target and maybe this will be my second target, like that. But completely it's changed because the market has been opened out of balance. It's above the opening, like above the range, what range we have here. So this complete range, after this it has been opened. See this is our yesterday's profile and it opened exactly here. So what we will do here, like in this market, how we will do, so how we will work out the trade, how we wanted, how we can able to capture the small points, like which is required for our everyday trading. So I wanted to clarify that first of all the opening is an imbalance, so I will follow my rules. So how I will be analyzing market every day and before starting. So first of all, before starting I will be watching in monthly. So this is a monthly chart and it's for the almost like a 1 day candle. So you can see this exactly, it is in bullish and some in between gap up, everything are there. And based on these structures is completely bullish. So and then let's come to on a weekly. And weekly also I have told you it's one time frame is happening. See this. So completely one time frame is happened. So that means that the market is in very bullish, very bullish. So our mindset should be very bullish, and this all scenario is very bullish. And then I don't know what news came into the market, but it has been pushed away from the levels what we have, what we had it. See exactly. So this was in a balance this month, completely in balance, but see here it's in a 1 day it has been broken everything. So this last, can see this all days, 1 2 3 4 5, within these 5 days the market completely broken the level of high. See, if you are seeing in overall market, here was the highest, like this range, you can see this range, this range it has been broken and it has been opened above that value. So we have to refer earlier levels what we had it. So this was our weekly POC before long ago. So this has been built. So we have to follow this level. We forced to follow this level, and exactly it has been fallen in this place. That today market has been reached high. Okay, so let's come to on daily, and daily also I will show you where it is exactly. So what are the levels we have marked? Actually it's not required because of the market is open in imbalance and it not even come and touched inside the range. At least if it would have come inside the range, this would have been valid, but this nothing is going to help us. So we will be deleting levels of as of now, so we don't wanted to get confused due to that. And market is opened, the market is open, it came down and it went up. So this market condition is open test drive. So based on that the market has been pushed up, and the confident, like where we will get, like we have to confirm the levels. It has been opened in imbalance conditions, and the imbalance conditions we will see the first 5 minutes candles of today, and that first 5 minutes candle how it is performed. So that is what we are going to see now, the first 5 minutes candle how it is performed. So if in case it's performed like buyers, complete buyers are there, then we will be taking our trade. So that is what our plan. See this 442 lot, 388, 421, 500, 149, 275, and 107. You can see the complete buyer's interest, complete this area, and you can see seller as well in this area. Why these sellers are available? Do you know this? Because the market opened very huge gap up actually. So due to the huge gap up, the many people have accumulated over there and they have sold it. That is why the selling order value. So what we can do in this one, in this candle, like kind of this candle, like we can simply do one thing. We can draw a line. We can draw a line. Whenever it's crossed the high, just mark the high. Whenever it's crossed the high, just mark the high. Whenever it's crossed the high area, you can just take the trade from there, and then you can see very clearly the levels. See this one and see this one and see here as well, and exactly you can watch this place. So this all POC is denote bullish. So what you can do, that you can take a trade from here exactly, and then you can hold your levels till here, maybe the first trade, or till here, maybe the second, maybe the first trade. You can hold it till here, or you can hold it till here. If you wanted to close it very fast, just enter somewhere in this candle and you can guide this area. Market profile concept, we have to see one thing here. Till F period, it is single time frame, like you see OTF other time frame. The F crossed G, so this place you can exit. What is the time? You can just tweak it up like 10:45. So 10:45 means like exactly this area. See, before reversing the market, our market profile have given a clear indication that the market going to reverse. So our exit locations is, as it has been properly given in this location. So that is what the market profile. So we have to learn ourselves first. Okay, so this is my trade. If I would have will be in the live market. So this is the best trade I have seen in the market. I think this also would be the best trade. But if in case you would have been in the first trade in profit and you don't need to do further trades, you can just watch the market and you can be in the market. That's it. So like how the market has been closed today, you can see the buyers. You can see the orders has been placed the last candle. And then many people have messaged me today that the Nifty spot chart have been raised almost to 200 points up. I mean to say, but still now there is no clarifications have been given by NSE, but or SEBI, whatever it is. But what I feel that you can see the entry, order entry, 1,356 lot. So while closing the market in last 10 minutes, like this is almost 340, I think 330 to 340. So this candle, these two candles, see the last 5 minutes candle is completely buyers have been put their orders in this place. So due to that, our premium, exactly our premium, it's raised almost 100%. It might be 100%. So I need to verify it accordingly. We can do that. I think can show you from the chart exactly here. You can see the last candle how it has happened. It's almost 200 plus points. I think it will be get adjusted by tomorrow because market you can see these closing action session. So the cash method, they were effective by today. So that's why these differences are there. I will show you from options. See this is 24,750, so I can take it 24,600, or I think we will take a reasonable one, 24,500 now. So 24,500 will take it up. See exactly from this call option 93 to it went to 118. And then if you come down the nearest call options and all, like 24,700 and all, it's very 11 rupees to it went to 22 rupees. It's an unfair value. Okay, so this is what happened in today market. So what we will do in tomorrow market, I think this values and all I don't believe because of a Nifty future chart. It's a correct one. So Nifty spot chart actually it can be get adjusted according to the future, but almost 100 points, 120 points, it's not a valid one. So let's wait for tomorrow morning market opens, so where it will get opened and then where it is get adjusted and all we will come to know. So accordingly we will be trade. Okay, so tomorrow first candle itself, don't jump on it and trade. And then what about tomorrow levels, you can ask me. So what about tomorrow levels means, like you can see, so this first of all is a prominent POC, and then the profile also, it's a compressed profile. And you can see the many areas, this H to M, you can see these places. This all are a weak money. Because of why I am telling you weak money, many times has trying to break this place, but they couldn't able to break because in above that there is a hard money is there. So due to the hard money, so especially this area good unable to break. So what we will do, we will take it as a reference on these places, especially these places, we will take it as reference, and we will trade accordingly. And this will be, we will take it as a super ledge. And one more good news in this one actually, before and all we will not consider M period as a closing one, but now we can. So this area is going to be the very good reference for tomorrow, 24,665, and downside of course will be remaining the same levels what I have marked in this place. And the gap first of all is very important, and secondly these levels, the POC, and then again the areas, these areas and all. And I wanted to show you the compressed profile what we are going to see. So compressed profile means, like from last Tuesday is the expiry day, and tomorrow is expiry day, and Wednesday 29th, so 29th to 3rd. So we will compress the profile and we will see the levels where exactly we wanted to get the right value, and then where is the buy and sell is, it has been happened exactly in this week. You can see again the 24,300 is the strong POC, and this all spike you can see. So there is a gap that is today, and you can see the low volume of this area is here, exactly this place, 790, and here so 719 exactly, it's there around 24,400 this place. And we can see this is a value area high and this is a value area low. So here it is. So let's see, so market where it is happening, because it's completely in a bullish mode. So let's wait and watch where it will be move forward further. So above is there is a BOC. We can zoom out the market and we can see where the level exactly. You can zoom out the market completely. You can zoom out this place. After this place, the market will completely jump into 25,400, 25,400 will be the next reference level. If in case, if in case that tomorrow levels, if it is break, then we have the reference of this. And in between we can go and check many days back here. You can see, is there any balance is there or not, completely we can check, and we can find some balance in this place. And of course this is not in a balance, and here is in a single print this area. So this area is going to be the for our reference. If in case the market is again breaking the levels, and if it is comes, it will come to 25,400 to 364, this levels. So this levels is very important for us next period. And we can see some compressed profile also in this area. This is many days back. We need to refer the calendar, and then we will compress the profile, and we can see value area high low everything, and whichever is not broken, so that area we can able to follow. So this is the concept which we are following, especially the volume profile and market profile both. And in profile-based channel, we are focusing only to volume profile and market profile, and we are taking a support of OA and order flow. So these two which we are using as a supportive system. Our main system for analyzing the market which we are using for our trading and all, the market profile and volume profile is main important. So that's why we are profile edge. Okay, so thank you so much for joining today, and we will be seeing live market in tomorrow morning. I will be joining in the market around 9:10 or 9:05. Mostly I will be joining in live, so you can watch my live every day without fail most probably.